Guys, welcome to Andres Cocina. Today I am making some flan for my husband's birthday. So happy birthday. We're having some birthday flan. So these are some of the things you're gonna need. So I have 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 5 eggs, half a block of cream cheese, and then we have this is where we're gonna put the flan, and we're gonna make our own caramel to go on top. And yeah, that's pretty much what you're gonna need. Make sure you have aluminum foil and also somewhere to have like a double boiler kind of thing, but we're gonna put it in the oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and preheat our oven to 350. And the first thing we're gonna do is make our caramel. So, all right, in this saucepan right here, I'm gonna add 1 cup of sugar. Okay, and I just put it straight into it like that. All right, and once that is heating up and starting to melt, it's gonna take a few minutes here. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my cans, open them up, and let me get my blender real quick. Mateo, ¿quieres más? Banana? Banana? You want more banana? Yeah? Yes? Okay, Bubba. So I'm gonna put the half of the block of cream cheese in there. Oh God, it got stuck. That's probably good enough. Okay. Always make sure to shake your evaporated milk. It says, shake well. Every time I bring the can opener out, my cat thinks I'm opening a can of tuna. So he always likes to come and check it out. Sorry, buddy. You can't have this. Mateo, buddy. This is starting to melt here. You want to move it around so that it doesn't burn, because then it'll get really dark and it'll be bitter. Okay, and I'm going to crack my eggs in this separate bowl, just in case any shells come off. You could get them out real quick. It's crazy. Alrighty, so it looks like everything is pretty much melted. I can't see any little chunks or anything like that, so I'm going to go ahead and pour it in here. Okay, so I went ahead and left the caramel right there, and we're going to finish the filling. So I'm going to continue with the eggs here. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and add that. And I'm going to add some vanilla as well. Probably, I'm going to do a teaspoon. I have half a teaspoon. I'll do 2 of these. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla and half a teaspoon of salt. Like that. Mateo. Bubba. Oh my goodness, honey. Anyways, all right, let's go ahead and blend this up. All right. So something I forgot to say, or I forgot to do, is boil water at the beginning. Because I mean, it doesn't matter. You can do it right now. It's just going to take a little time. Because you need to pour water in here that's already boiling before you put it in the oven, because it's not going to boil in the oven. I don't think so anyway. But anyway, so we can go ahead and pour this in there. Always pour it through a strainer so that there won't be too many bubbles. And I'm gonna cover this with some foil. All right, just like that. And I'm gonna put a towel underneath here, just like that. Okay. All right, and now I'm going to pour the water in. Just like that. And we're going to stick it in the oven at 350 for 1 hour. All right, 1 hour timer. Okay guys, so it's been an hour, so let's check on our flan. Woo. Let's have a look. All right, so it's looking good. Oh yeah, it's done. Now, I have to let this cool down to room temperature and then put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, if not overnight. Overnight would probably be best. Okay, so the flan has been sitting in the fridge for the whole day, probably about 12 hours by now. So I'm just gonna loosen up the edges a little bit. Ready? Oh, wow, look at that. All right, guys, there you have it. Our flan. Here's the flan. Okay guys, let's try it. Ooh. Wow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what else you guys want to see.